How do you fix a blurry photo on your iPhone? You don't need to delete it, and you don't need to upload it anywhere. In this tutorial I'll show you how to unblur a photo step by step with an app called Unblurry, which runs entirely on your device. Here is the plan 1. Open the app and pick your photo 2. Run AI Super Resolution 3. Compare before and after. Then save 4. Match the mode to the problem. Open Unblurry and tap Enhance a photo. Then pick the blurry shot from your library. The home screen also has dedicated modes. Sharpen for soft focus and camera shake. Denoise for grainy low light shots. So you can match the tool to the problem. For real blur, use AI Super Resolution. A neural model rebuilds detail directly on your iPhone. Nothing is uploaded, so it works offline and the photo never leaves your device. You can watch the progress while it enhances. When it finishes, drag the slider to compare before and after. Happy with the result? Save it back to your library. One more tip. Different problems need different fixes, and Unblurry has 8 modes in total. Auto clear for everyday blur with one tap. Low light to brighten and recover dark shots. And document mode to crisp up text, scans and whiteboards. If the first mode you try isn't perfect, try the one built for your exact problem. That's all it takes to fix a blurry photo. Unblurry is free to try, and a single purchase unlocks everything. No subscription. Search Unblurry on the App Store.